less than material greater than cabbage 100 grams, pork belly meat 40 grams, yakisoba 1 pack, tenkasu 10 grams, yakisoba sauce 50 grams, Aonori. Depending on the amount of noodles and vegetables, adjust the amount of sauce. Warm the pan over medium heat and fry for about 5 minutes while loosening the noodles. Shred 1 centimeter wide. Cut into bite size. Fried pork belly. Put the cabbage, put baked noodles, steam for 2 minutes as it is. Occasionally shake the frying pan to release the steam and fry it. Combine the whole and bake. Put the sauce and stir up quickly so that the sauce is mixed throughout. Fill the plate. Sprinkle the Aonori seaweed. Completed.